Hello, photography lovers. Welcome back. Today, we'll unlock the magic of controlling depth of field using Aperture in DSLR photography. Look at these photos. See the difference? This change in focus is due to a factor called depth of field. And today, we're going to show you how to master it using one key setting, your aperture. But what is aperture, you ask? Simply put, it's the opening in your lens through which light enters your camera, and it has a huge effect on your depth of field. You can adjust the aperture to control how sharp and in focus your image appears. A large aperture results in a shallow depth of field, meaning a sharp subject against a blurred background. And a small aperture gives a large depth of field, keeping more of the scene in focus. Now let's see it in action. Here's how you can adjust the aperture on your DSLR. As you can see, by playing with your aperture settings, you can change the mood and composition of your shots quite a bit. And that's the beauty of depth of field control. It gives you, the photographer, the creative freedom to decide what parts of your image to emphasize and what to blur. So go ahead, experiment with your DSLR's aperture and control your depth of field like a pro. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more such photography tips. Until next time, keep capturing your world. Peace out.